Guys, merienda tayo guys. Mango jelly. Ayan guys, black jelly guys. To ano daw to ng ating katawan. Pampawarm. Ayan. Masarap na mango at fresh milk. Ayan guys. Merienda tayo guys. Super yummy. Super. Patsamba to guys. Patsamba na gawa ni Gina na malamig. Super. Super yummy. Diba? Ayun lang guys. Thank you so much and happy afternoon everyone. Sana ang lahat nakapagpalamig na ng kanilang hapon. Thank you for watching. Bye!